Good morning. Hi, Sammy. I know. I am sitting in the Home Depot parking lot in Dallas, Texas. Well, I guess technically, I think I'm in Cedar Hill. And if you're familiar, I can't reach it. If you're familiar with Cedar Hill State Park, and the few times I've been here, I had to stop here and get some Seven Dust because they have a ant problem at Cedar Hill State Park. They're called crazy ants. Actually, I think they're called Argentina ants. But twice that I've stayed here, I have gotten the crazy ants in my rig, and I don't like them. I think the last time I had them, it took me about, I don't know, 4 to 6 months to get rid of them completely. They just get in your camper and they just live. They don't bite you, but they don't even annoy you. They're just everywhere. I mean, not like everywhere, but, and then, I was like, oh, I'm getting rid of them. And of course I can't spray in there because of Sammy. So what I usually do is I just battle them as I see them and spray them with vinegar. But Seven Dust does help, and I learned that when you put your cord out to plug in, because it's 91 degrees here and humid, that when you plug in your cord to shore power, you just kind of sprinkle your cord with Seven Dust, because that's how they got in last time. They climbed up the cord, because I watched them. I was like, oh. So I always keep Seven Dust with me in case I'm coming here. And I had some and I checked it. I just didn't know I needed more. So last night we did stay at the park, and Vicky Van Gogh came out to see us. But I had enough Seven Dust for last night, but I didn't today. So I just dropped Deborah off at her sister's house, and she is staying there for the night. Boy, when you live out in the middle of nowhere and you come into Dallas and the traffic, it's like, oh, I can't believe people love the big city life. Because, and I used to live in Dallas. When I graduated high school, I moved to Dallas and lived here for, I think I lived here 4 years. I don't even think it was 4 years. Anyway, yeah, I think it was 4 years. I think I moved back to Odessa in 1986. Sammy. Yeah, it's been a rough couple of days. And I can't say any more about that. Okay, I moved over here to Albertsons. I'm going to go in and get, I think I want some squash, onions and squash maybe. I'm contemplating, if there's not a burn ban, to have a little fire, not really a campfire because it's hot, but a little fire to cook on. If not that, I have my little alcohol stove and I could use it. And the other thing is I could buy some charcoal, and I have a little makeshift barbecue pit. Makeshift. It's just an aluminum foil pan that I can put charcoal in, light it, and put a grate over the top of it. I have some tilapia or cod in the freezer, so I'm thinking maybe some squash. I have some green chilies I need to peel, cook and peel, and try those. I did pick my jalapenos before I left, so I have jalapenos. And I was thinking of maybe some kind of rice pilaf or something. So I have all these little ideas in my head going off, sitting here at Albertsons thinking, I'm actually camping tonight, and I could cook something. So that's kind of, before I leave Home Depot, I thought, well, I'll come over here and sit in Albertsons parking lot, which is next door, and think, if I'm camping, what can I cook? I don't know if there's a burn ban. I'll ask when I get back to camp and see. I don't think there is, but like I said, I may just cook using charcoal. I mean, it's fish. It won't take but that long to cook. Or I can cook it on my little alcohol stove. Or my other little stove, or my Coleman stove. I got so many options. So I'm thinking I want fish and veggies. And maybe some of that rice pilaf. I think I have the rice pilaf. So let's go into Albertsons and see what I end up buying. Alright, let's do it. This is an Albertsons now. I don't think it was always an Albertsons. I could be wrong. But I don't remember. Produce looks pretty good. A lot of it. So let's see. I want squash. Ooh, look at those stuffed mushrooms. $5.99 for stuffed mushrooms. Wow. Oh, there's buy one get one free of the Brussels sprouts. Oh, look at that. $6. Are they kidding me? They kidding me? It's crazy. Squash. Oh, this is organic too. Let me look around. Squash. Ooh, maybe I want a little potato in there. A little red potato. Oh, look at these little babies. What in the world? Haagen-Dazs sauce. Interesting. Mushrooms. Ooh, mushrooms would be good. Too many choices. Charcoal. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get some charcoal. We'll see how I end up cooking. I'm not sure. But I am gonna get some match light. God, $10.99. I just want a small bag. That's God, I can't believe that's $10.99. Instant light, $7.99. Do you think this will really work? I know match light works. Well, I guess we'll try it. Oh my goodness. Really? Now I'm splurging. That looks good. Alright, let's go. Well, this is where I was parked last night. I did pretty good to... Hi, Sam. Hi, what are you doing? Really? Are you camping? You're camping? Yeah. Did pretty good to line up my tires back You wanna go inside? Okay. Back in the spot where I had the crazy ants will also climb up on your tires. So they recommend that you powder around your tires. So anytime you come to Cedar Hill State Park in Texas, you want to make sure that and they tell you at the window, well, there's a sign up there. Let me see if I can get this open. All right, that sure is a big bottle of 7 Dust that I just opened. It's not even half full. They make big bottles and less product. It's not even shrinkflation. They just rip you off. Anyway, let's get this done. Glad I bought a bigger bottle so I could have more air. All right. So, you want to sprinkle. I don't do the whole thing, just that little bit right there, and I'll go around my tires a little bit again. And that'll be good. Well, I hope that'll be good. All right. Did you get stuck? Did you get stuck? All right, you want to go in and get some water? She says, yes, please. Can I have some water? So, when I bought the sandwich stuff for this last week, I also bought some, and these are not from Hatch, but I did buy some green chilies. They're turning red. I've been a little bit preoccupied. So, I wanted to see if I could cook these. They smell good. Cook them in the air fryer. Let me look to see. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna, yeah, they're starting to shrivel up. But, I'm gonna rinse them off a little bit, dry them, and then put them in the air fryer. Then throw them in a plastic bag and let them steam. And see if I can't bring these things back to life before they run. Let's get started. It's so cloudy today that I feel like I am just in a, well, about the sun's going down. It's about 4 o'clock, but anyway, I've got the lights on and it's still dark in here. All right, so I was like, why is it making noise? Okay, I'm gonna let these cook for a little bit. I don't know how long. We'll just decide as we go. So, change of plans. It is 95 degrees still outside. I'm not going outside to cook. It is too hot. So what I decided to do is take those skewers and I'm gonna, well, I've got my air fryer going here. That's my ice maker. Well, I got the air fryer going here with the green chilies. I'm gonna take 2 of those skewers. Take 2 of these skewers of meat, and I took the sticks out of them because I thought that could probably catch on fire. So I took the skewers out, and I'm going to put these in the air fryer. I'm going to put a couple of the potatoes that I got. I'm going to put that in the microwave, and I'm going to have a half of avocado, and that's going to be dinner. So when am I going to cook the other? I'm going to get up in the morning and I'm going to cook an early lunch, brunch, breakfast outside. But for now, since it's so hot, and here it's humid, so I'm not used to all the humidity. So I will do that in the morning. Go ahead and cook what I had mentioned. The fish, which sounds really good, and the squash. I want to make potato, mushroom, onion, potato, mushroom, onion, squash pouch. So let's see if that happens. But anyway, I changed my mind, and that's okay. I'm just gonna do something different. All right, this is a feast. Yeah. And I have no avocado on my plate. I can't eat any more than this. 3 little potatoes. I think they're golden potatoes. Those 2 tenderloin skewer thingies. 1 little piece of green chili. I have a green onion. Little lettuce with balsamic vinegar and olive oil. These are my tomatoes out of my garden. And my jalapeno out of my garden. Yeah, that's a lot of food. Tomato. Oh my goodness. Those are so good. I want to see how hot this thing is. I need my knife. That first little tip I cut in half, it's not hot at all. It'd be great if they weren't real hot, but I love the flavor. Let's taste that steak tenderloin thingy. Let's see what this tastes like. I'm pretty picky about meat. And that was gristle. Oh well, the rest of it's going to be good. I won't buy that again.